Anamika, and today I'm going to review a very interesting product for you guys. The name of the product is Baby Ganix Lip and Face Balm. My daughter, who is 2.5 years old, she suffers from dry, cracked and chapped lips. I have been in a hunt of a lip balm which is protective enough and which doesn't contain a lot of harmful ingredients. And so I went through the ingredients of this lip balm online, and I found that it has no paraffin, it has no beeswax, it has no minerals oil. So I thought, let me just try it out. It has all the good ingredients, and let me assure you, once you go through the ingredients, you definitely will think of trying it out. Vitamin seed oil and shea butter, castor seed oil, all these ingredients are really great for your child and for anyone who is looking for herbal ingredients in their face product or lip product. This lip balm gives immediate relief. It immediately moisturizes your lips, and it not only moisturizes your lip area but lip and cheek area also. You can even use it on the cheek and the nose area, especially the kids. If you notice that in winters they tend to get patchy, their skin tends to get patchy on the cheek area as well as on the nose. So if you rub this lip balm on that area, it soothes and moisturizes that area as well. No parabens, no sulfate, no toxins. That is what makes it an absolute favorite. Fat lip balm, that is because it is meant to be used on the lips as well as on the cheek area, and because it doesn't have any fancy ingredients as such, therefore it's not very buttery. So you will have to melt it a bit and then apply it on your lips or the cheek area. It is moisturizing, but you need to just warm it up a bit and then apply it. This lip balm is of $4, and unfortunately it is not available in India. What you can do is that you can try out the Amazon.com store, which now ships to India as well, the US site. And you can check out eBay, or if you have friends or family who are living abroad, you can always ask them to get a batch for you, or you can just try out once, and if you like it, then get a batch. It's quite travel friendly. If you are going in an area which is really cold and you want to protect your child or yourself, then just apply the lip balm at the back of your hand and apply it on those area which needs little nourishment, or you're feeling dry, and you're good to go. Only drawback is that it's not available in India. At least I am not sure that it is available in India. I got it through a friend. If you know, then do let me know, or write in the comment section. I would love to help out the readers that way. That is it, guys. If you like the video and if you want us to review more products like this, then hit the like button. I'll see you again. Till then, bye bye.